going on, guys? Welcome back on this 2018 Ford Mustang. I'm going to show you guys how to take off the trim panel, the handle, and the mirror. Enough said, let's get to work. First thing, you got your flathead screwdriver. You're going to take that piece out of there. That piece. There's a number 10 screw right here. Number 10 screw. Y'all see this black piece right here? I'm gonna pop that piece out of there. That piece out there. Yeah? One screw down inside there. That's the reason why you take the screw out, but there's one inside there that's hidden. Number 10. Take them two from out of there. There's two of them, one on the top, one down near the bottom. There's two screws down here. Number 8, two of them, down to the bottom. This is number 7. Once you get those two screws out, go ahead and pop off the trim panel. Put your flathead screwdriver right in underneath it and pull it towards you. Just like that. See? Comes right off. Unhook the wires, cables. 1. On all the wires, it comes right off. Okay, guys? That's how you take off the trim panel, just like that. To get off the mirror, let's get off the speaker off of there. There's 2 screws right there. 1, 2. Gotta put the glass down. Gonna hook this thing back up. After you take this piece out, which goes right here, go ahead and hook up back this window motor and put the glass down. Once you put that down, you see the hole right there? There's 2 screws for the light and 1 screw in there. So it's 3 screws total. Light inside of there. Then you get your number 10. Number 10. mirror, go ahead and take out that speaker from there. And you're gonna reach your hand up underneath and unplug it. Go ahead and put the glass back up. Put the glass back up. Take out the speaker, see that hole right there? You're gonna push your hand through here and you're gonna see the port from here. You're gonna see it, then you're gonna unplug it from there. Comes out, that's how you do that. I will show you guys now how to get out the handle from out of there. Okay guys, in order to get this handle out, you're going to take that piece out of there. It's a T27, star tip, T27. When you look inside there, you're going to see a silver screw. You're going to put this in there and turn to the left. Turn to the left. Now it got really hard. You're going to turn it until it got hard and stiff. Then you're going to take that piece out of there. Push your screwdriver right between the crease and pry it out. Now you see how the handle is stiff, right? You're going to turn it back to the right. Turn it back to the right. Right? You gotta get this handle out of there. Then you're gonna hold it out. Then you're gonna turn it back to the left. And it comes out. You go in and undo the wire. I see you do that, guys. All right? I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hey guys. When you guys go to put back the handle, make sure to hold this thing back right here. Y'all see that piece right there that I'm moving? Make sure to use a piece of wire or something and hold that back to put the handle in there. Or you could use a tool and push the tool from inside here to hold this piece back to push in the handle. And guys, sometimes this door, they lock and they don't open. When you guys take out the handle for the car to get repaired, go ahead and move the striker from right there. Move that striker, because for some reason, sometimes when you take the handle out and you close the door, it don't open up sometimes. So just to be on the safe side, go ahead and take out that striker until you put the handle back.